Hi, and welcome to today's episode of Healthy Cooking with Heidi. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a dairy-free ranch dressing. Let's get started. So, the base of our dressing is going to be raw cashews. Give it a nice rich creaminess. I've soaked our cashews ahead of time. That's just going to help blend it easier and get a creamier end product. But you can skip this step if you have a really nice high-powered blender. So we've got half a cup of cashews, 1 cup of a plant milk. Today I'm using an unsweetened soy milk in here, but you can use any non-dairy milk you prefer. And then to give it our tang of a buttermilk ranch dressing, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of a white vinegar. If you don't have white vinegar, you could also use a lemon juice instead, but the vinegar is gonna be the best one. It's gonna also kind of help curdle our soy milk to, again, mimic that buttermilk. And then for our spices, we're keeping it very simple. We've got a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. We have half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We've got 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And you can adjust the amounts of the spices as needed. This is just a blueprint to get you started. And I'm gonna do, this is an optional ingredient, but I'm gonna do a little pinch of some dill. So I'm doing maybe about 1/4 of a teaspoon there. Another optional ingredient would be some dried parsley. So you could play around with those based on what you've got. All right, we've got everything we need in here, so now let's get this blended. All right, so we've got our dressing blended up here. And keep in mind, it's gonna continue to thicken up because cashews have a natural thickening agent in them. So if you find that over a couple of days in the refrigerator it starts to get thicker, you can always just thin it out with a little bit more plant milk or a little bit of water. So we've got a nice thin consistency here. Great dressing. Or we're using this for some vegetable dip. This is a great snack to have with some celery when you come home from school or some carrot sticks. This is a great way to get some flavor on our veggies to get us to eat more of them. We might not eat as many just plain raw veggies, but once we've got a dip on them, we're gonna be having more of them. So we've got a nutritious and delicious snack food here, or salad dressing. Thanks for watching today's episode. Bye.